My husband drive me go work for house because I no sabi cook. Now my mommy don't teach me how to cook. Say for help me thank her. She don't teach me how to cook. Oh yeah, make we go start o. Now vacancy dey o. Who wan apply now for wife? Make we apply o. I never cook too much. I don sabi cook o. Delicious one gan. Oh yeah. Indomie generation. Make una come gather here. Let's learn how to cook together. If you know how to cook, you know it for yourself. Anything you want to cook today, even if your parents did not teach you, go on internet. Google will teach you. Google will explain to you from number 1 to the end how to cook a delicious meal. This is a Nigerian intercontinental dish. Let's cook together. You will enjoy the food. You will enjoy it. Just keep watching. Google, I want to cook egusi soup. Please teach me. Okay, then you click the type you want to cook according to your ingredients. Then you relax. You set your chair, you balance in your kitchen, and you start. So simple as that. So I'm still surprised since some people they don't know how to cook and they are just putting things together like sacrifice. What are you doing in this modern world? These days you don't do anything to please others. You don't do anything to please your neighbor, your husband, or your mother, your father. Do what is good for you. The right thing that you know that, yes, if you do it, it pleases you. That is what you have to focus on these days. And leave what people will talk, what people will say alone. Go internet, go learn everything yourself and grow up with it. And live a good life for yourself. Before you can live for others, you have to live for yourself first. So let's learn from this. I believe someone will eat from this food today because you're viewing it alone. It will attract the aroma. I know you are perceiving it already. So it is well, yo. This is a great food. Today is a good day. Hello, my people. There is this proverb that said, good food is the weight to a man's heart. A responsible man will not depend on woman before he eats. Whether you cook or not, they are always active themselves. Let me tell you, food is not the only way to a man's heart. I will tell you what is the way to a man's heart today. If food is a way to a man's heart, go to abroad. You will see a lot of people there, a lot of women that doesn't even know how to cook, yet they marry the best man. If I say the best, I mean a caring, a responsible man who loves them the way they are. The only way to a man's heart, I will tell you, as I said earlier, there is this story, let me tell you, because you need to learn from people. You need to get experience from others. You can't live on your own understanding alone. There is this story. This woman doesn't know how to cook. What do I mean? She doesn't know how to cook. Nothing. She can do nothing. The husband knows. And this man decided to marry her like that. But anytime she cook, the man, she don't want problem. She eats the food like that. The way the woman cook it, she accepts to live with it. One day, the man's friend has to visit him. When they got home, the woman was preparing food and the man went inside to change her clothes. On coming back, he met his friends already eating. The woman already served them food, which is his wife. And he was like, oh, what is he going to do? This woman will serve my friend's concoction today, but as a good man, what did he do? He met his friends on the table. The first one took 4 spoons. He was like, open his mouth. He can't swallow it because the food was times 10 of salt. The second one take 1 spoon and he opened his mouth. He can't swallow it, but to avoid shame, to avoid problem, they don't want to offend their friend, no, his wife. So they just put water to mix it and swallow that first branch. They were waiting for their friend to join them so that he will come taste the food and know what the wife brings and taste what his wife prepared. Do you know what he did? If you were the one, what are you going to do? This man ate this food. Immediately he took 1 spoon. He have to call his wife. Hey, honey, please, I need more food. I need more salt. Give me salt. Already there is too much salt in the food that no one can even eat it. But he just covered his wife up and he asked for more. Give me more salt. I need more. This friend was like, this man is crazy. So you make your wife cook too much salt because you eat too much salt. And they were surprised when the woman was asking for more salt. In that way, they won't be able to understand that the wife doesn't know how to put salt in the food. They will think the man needs the salt. That's why the woman is putting excess salt. After those people left, the woman just went to the kitchen to his wife. He told her, from today henceforth, no salt in the house. No more using of salt. Let's cancel salt from this family completely. The only place you will put salt, maybe on the dining table. If you want to eat, put the salt you want to eat yourself. And that is it. You see, there are some girls, they don't stay when their mother is cooking. They are not always there. They will be roaming about, going from one club, one party, one friends to another. By the time they will come back, they will meet their own mother, clapping their hands in their food, in the soup she cooked. They don't know what it means. This lady, she asked her mother, this is another story. She asked her mother one day, why do you always clap your hand in the soup? The woman said, I put salt. She doesn't know that after putting salt, she clapped her hands to dust the leftover salt in the soup. And one day she got married. And now is left with her and her husband. So after cooking all the food, she remembered, my mom used to clap hand in the soup, telling me that she put salt. And she started clapping her hands in the soup. And when she finished clapping her hands, she served her husband, and the husband was like, well, there's no salt in the house. He said, I put salt. How did you put salt in this soup? There is no salt. She said, I clapped my hand because my mom used to clap her hand in the soup whenever she finished cooking. So she told me that is how she put salt. You see? She just failed. But her husband still love her the way she is. Have to teach her. So how is food a way to a man's heart? Food is not a... Some people say going to bed, sleeping with a man is a way to a man's heart. That is a lie. That is a lie. Let me give you this tip. All those things, way to a man's heart, if I knew it earlier, I don't think I will lose my marriage. Yes. I don't think I will remain like this. Because nobody taught me. I did not learn from anyone. I only see. I work with based on what I saw. Because I believe my parents, they don't fight, they don't argue. So why my man will be arguing with me on everything? But I don't have the wisdom then to know how to keep a home. That's why you have to learn from people that are already there. Ask questions. Asking questions is very important. Don't just see something and work with it. Ask questions. Why is this thing like this? And you will understand why it was like that. So I pray God will help us in Jesus' name. So men, you have to understand that man must not live by bread alone. Don't be like Esau, who sold his birthright for his brother Jacob. Don't sow your birthright for a woman because you want to win your heart. Ladies, study that man, your boyfriend, your fiancé, your husband to be. Men, study that lady. Do you know? If you know the only thing that makes them happy, that is the thing you have to key on. Just key on that key. Hold on it. Whatever you know, all you do. Maybe you dance, your husband smile at you. It makes her happy. It makes him happy. Maybe when you sing, it makes him happy. Maybe when you respect, it makes him. There are some men that don't deserve respect. If you respect them, they feel like you are insulting them. So know the type of things your husband like and continue with it. There is this guy that told me that the wife only allow him to sleep with her only when they want to have another baby. And after she got pregnant, till she gave birth to that child, till the child is 2 years, the wife never allowed him to touch her again. And she's living with her. She's at peace with her. Though it's affecting her, but she don't want to bring the issue out because she don't want to lose his marriage. He don't want to lose his marriage. So why all those things is the only way to marriage? He saw something in her that make him to stay with the lady. If he don't see any value, he will not stay there. No matter how ugly you are, no matter how stupid you are, no matter how intelligent you are, a man needs just one thing. Every man has their own, what they look for, their own passion, their own view on a woman. So let them see what they want in you. And if they tell you, that's why you see they hardly tell a lady what makes them love the lady. Because many ladies, they will start misbehaving. Yes, they will start misbehaving. Like this guy that told his girlfriend that I love the way you smell, your scent, the perfume you use. That's why I just love you. And every feeding money, every money they drop on the table, this lady is buying perfume. She's buying perfume. You see, she's misusing the opportunity. So let me tell you once again the story behind this food, this delicious food you are seeing on the table. I decided to make the video, not because I want to show what I'm eating, because I just want to talk about food. Knowing how to cook a good food is very good for your health, for yourself especially. And when the man find a good woman that can cook, contributing to what makes him love you, the marriage will last. So we are at work right now, and this is our food we are cooking. You can see this guy on the window. We don't want to open the entrance door because it's a long distance, so we ask him to take his food from the window and just take it along with him anyway. So he's saying hi to you all. His name is Adekule Temilade, and my colleague Mama Adeumi, and I myself, Polly Praise. So this is our food we cook. We decide to make video with it. So don't be deceived. We are working to make everything right. We are working. We are trying to put things together to make 1 + 1 2. So we are not here sitting, resting and eating. We work and eat. Even during this video, I stopped the video more than 3 times to go and work and come back. So please, don't think all is completely well. It's not as you see. This is a video. We swear by the grace of God, it is well. So we stay at work and we are working tirelessly. So if anybody ask us money from Nigeria and we decided to say, hey, take this 5K, you have to appreciate it, because people in abroad, they are struggling to survive. And I pray that God will bless the work of our hands in Jesus' name. All women, all ladies, please study your man, know what he loves in you, and work with it and keep that thing up. Don't misuse it, don't misplace it for any reason. The man that will love you will surely love you the way you are. He will pick that one reason and love you forever. Okay? So it is well with us in Jesus' name.